Okay, I guess now we can start. Just confirm, team, that my screen is visible or not, and I'm audible properly.
Yes, it's
Yes,
visible.
Yes,
Manish, your screen is visible.
yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining today, this weekend. Uh, let's start. We'll start with the presentation now. Before starting the session, I just want to say some rules to you so that you can follow this session. Always be kind and never bully or insult your fellow members. No spamming or selling or promotion irrelevant things or links in group chats. And we are a judgment-free zone, so feel free to share your views. And this is our today's agenda. There will be an introduction for the CodeSafe chapter, and you will meet our team and then CodeSafe details will be shared with you. Then how to become a member, then Q&A, and there is an opportunity for all of you. So make sure you are tuned in till the end. And at the end, we have feedback and some fun activities. So make sure you are joining. Thank you. And yeah, so about CodeSafe, CodeSafe is created just as a platform where programmers make it big in the world of algorithms, computer programming, and programming context. So basically, it's a platform where you can practice and code and take part and participate in competitive programming, and compete with the world. So now basically, why do we need community then? Like, why this chapter exists? As this platform is internationally available for everyone, right? Everyone can participate there, but why do we need the community? Like this chapter, why this chapter exactly exists, right? So basically, this is a community where you guys can take part and like meet people from different background, maybe different branch, different colleges, different university. They come together in a community, and you guys can learn from their struggles, their experiences. They would share, and you can also share. Like basically, it will be learn together and grow together. That's it. Yeah. And also you can find there are multiple professionals available. Like when the college students get passed out, they become professional, working professional. Then they can also share their knowledge and experiences with you, so you can take the benefits from them. There are multiple benefits of community also. You will get to network with working professionals and some people who are doing really very good in the world of technology or whatever. So you can meet them in the community also. And also whenever you are building project, you can find your team members in the community also. And there are multiple benefits of community in a college life. By joining a community is a best thing you can do. Okay, so make sure you are joining communities, and yeah, and take the benefits from the community. There are a lot more to explore and learn, so you will learn in the go, I hope. And just like and just make sure that you will join our community soon. We will share the details how you can do it. So yeah, till then, let's move to next slide. Yeah, so our faculty advisor, Mosi ma'am, so all of you must know him, know her, sorry. So like she is not available today because of some unavoidable reasons, but yeah, she is our faculty advisor. Without her, this community will never exist, or it won't be possible. So thanks to her. And now would like to invite our faculty coordinator of Skepsis. So basically, Skepsis is another community of our campus, which is not yet introduced to you. Basically, it's a parent community of all our communities. Skepsis regulates all the other communities and clubs in our campus. So yeah,
Manish, sorry to
yeah.
interrupt. Some are writing in chat that the slides are not visible. So,
Is it?
are you? Are
Is it
you?
visible to you?
Try to reshare
Yeah, the
once.
slides are
Try to
actually
share.
stuck. You have to
It is
reshare.
just stuck to welcome to induction only.
Wow. Wait. I guess there is some issue. Sorry, guys. Let me just fix it. Mm-mm. It stopped now, right? So I'm sharing it again. Is it visible now?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Still same.
It's
Yes,
yes, sir. Now
yes,
it's
sir.
Yes,
visible.
it's visible.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Just confirm now. Is it's visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
yes,
visible.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
cool.
yes.
Okay, so this was the rule which I already discussed with you. Like I don't want to repeat again. Like always be kind and never bully or insult your fellow members, and no spamming and selling and promotion and all. And then like this is our agenda of today's like introduction, meet our team, CodeSafe details, how to become member of CodeSafe, and there will be a Q&A, and there will be an opportunity for you all of you. So make sure stay till the end, and there will be a feedback, and there must be a fun activity for you all. So yeah. And then about CodeSafe, I already told you, like it's an contest platform, like competitive program. You can participate in monthly challenges, weekly challenges. There are lots of challenges where you can participate and like what to say, like check your skills, like how it's work. Okay, so and I already told what is community and why to become a part of it. All right, so I'm not repeat, and then this is also discussed. Yeah, so I like skepsis, I was in skepsis, right? So skepsis is the community which is regulating all other communities, like CodeSafe, GDSC, GFG. There are a lot more clubs and communities in our campus which is regulated by skepsis. So it's basically like parent community kind of thing. Okay, so Swarup sir is our convener, and so I want to invite Swarup sir to say a few words about CodeSafe and its club. Sir, over to you.
Am I audible? Yeah,
Yes, sir,
am I
you are.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Manish. Okay, so thank you all of you to join here. Okay, so it is very nice. I've seen you 226 attendants are here. Okay, that is good news for us. Um, so I think I mean CodeSafe ASNU chapter is the first chapter which is started at May 2020. And I mean, so all credit goes to Shubham. Shubham is our final year students for his enormous effort. Okay, we got this chapter in last year, and Shubham was the president. Okay, right now he is ex-president, obviously. So responsibility will be over. Okay, one by one. So this is our rules. Now, I mean, right now, Manish is the president of CodeSafe SNU chapter. And how do we become presidents, or how do we become, I mean, member of this chapter? Some rules are there. Obviously, it will be discussed. Okay, so you have to get some score or some stars. Some red star rating are there. Obviously, you have to participate regularly for coding. So I am briefing you why this is important. So you know, you are all of you are students of computer science and engineering, whatever the I mean specializations are there, computer science and business system, or AIML, or whatever the cyber security. The core thing is computer science. So you know, coding is the heart of the computer science. So this is a platform you can code there, and you can contact with different kind of peoples. Okay, from the different background, different country, different colleges, different area, different geographical things. So you can communicate and you can enlarge your knowledge, coding knowledge. Okay. So basically, and code is a thing. I mean, no one can you no, learn you. So you have to learn code yourself. So this is every person has a own way to write the code. So you can gather some knowledge from here. So I request all first year students who participates there, okay, and be a member. Obviously, it is not possible. So all 200 or 250 students will be the member of the CodeSafe SNU chapter. It is not possible. So we have 9 more chapters. Okay, so I request all you try to be a member and try to be an active participants here. Okay, so I thanks once again. I don't know whether Subham is here or not. Okay, so thank Subham, and Sagnix is also there. Okay, Microsoft ambassador, so to open these things and to continue. So right now, I will also thank Manish and his team. Okay, to maintaining these things. Okay, in proper way. So in next year, or year by year, I mean members and president will be changed. So this is the rules. Okay, so in next year from your batch, one people will be the member. Okay, so be passionate, okay, and try to maintain the discipline, decorum, okay. And I request all of you take, I mean, participation in course competition or whatever. Okay, so that's all from my part. Thank you, Manish. Thank you all, and thank you team of Coursera SNU chapter, and also thank you, ma'am. Okay, so ma'am always inspire us. Be a faculty member of this chapter. So thank you. So I mean, Manish, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for enlightening us. Next, let's move to our next slide. Okay, so meet our core team. So these are our core team members. Like I am president of the CodeSafe SNU chapter, and we have CP lead Suhag Das, and our media and outreach lead Kajal Jaiswal, and we have event lead Pawan Kumar. So you must know, like if you have any problem or if you are facing anything, you can directly contact them or me too. Okay, so. And these are our executive team. So design head is Sagnik Mitra, and student support Kusal Savit Chaudhary, social media head Daita Sur, and marketing head Swarna Jha, and the problem setter Afan Rahman. So in a community, like team is a very strong pillar. Like without a team, we can't run a community properly. So yeah, these are our pillars. So now, before moving to next slide, I want to like ask Suhag from take it from here. Suhag?
Yeah, sure, Manish. Am I audible? Like, just confirm.
Yeah, you are audible.
Thank you. Can you move to the slide?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so hello everyone. I'm the CP lead of Coursera SNU chapter, Shuag Dash, and so till Manish and Swarup sir have briefed you about the community and courtship, but you still may have many confusions, which is very obvious because you are hearing this for the first time. So you might have questions like, what is CP exactly, and uh, why do we do CP, even though Sharuk sir has said many things about it, and like how do we really get into courtship, like how to start it. So in this section we'll discuss all this. So first up, Manisha, please go to the next slide for the first time. Manish, can you? Yeah. So this is today's lineup. Like we'll discuss all these topics and some more. Like if you have any questions, please drop it in the chat so that I can answer it or I can see it. And we have some Q&As as well. So which we'll answer in the time. So we'll discuss this. What is competitive programming? Role of courtship in competitive programming? What programming language to use? I know this is a very popular question. So the benefits of competitive programming and how to get started at courtship. So the first up we have what is competitive programming really? So Manish, can you move to the next slide? Okay. So as the slide says, like if you're programming and competing with someone at the same time, then it's competitive programming. So it's really that simple. You guys might think like it's a big thing, but it's not. Like suppose you and your friend are sitting beside and writing a pattern program, and you can compete like who can finish it first. So that's even that is competitive programming. You can compete like who can write the shortest solution. That is also competitive programming. So it's not really like anything big, but uh, there are things that we'll discuss not today, but in our coming workshops. So, excuse me. Okay, so there was a disruption. Anyways, like we can move to the next slide. So we have a question here. Uh, you can go to that. You can scan this code, or you will get the link in the chat box and go and attempt it. Manish, can you paste the link in the chat box?
Yeah, everyone just go to the slido.com and put the 6-digit code. like 641 and 584. I am also pasting the link. You can join from here.
Either you can join with link, or you can go to slido.com and write this code.
And
join the
even
call.
you can scan the QR code, whatever you prefer.
Please write you're ready if you are all into this. I mean, if you are ready, please write ready so that we will know that you are.
Okay, have you all joined? Can we move?
I think we can go ahead. Like
Yeah.
there are a lot
Yeah.
of readies coming right now.
Yeah, all right.
So here
So,
is your first question, guys.
okay, wait. I guess there is some issue. Okay, I guess. Wait, guys. Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay, so as the question reads, are you familiar with programming?
Is it coming right?
The chatbot is not visible in your screen.
Someone
Manish.
please unmute him.
Manish,
Unmute him. Yeah.
Manish, the question is not visible in your screen. Actually.
So basically, it's visible to people who have already did. So like, I will just share the screen once everything is done. Like everyone will participate. There are only 59 members who are participating right now. Let me just share my screen of that tab. Give me a second.
Your voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible. Hello. Am I
It is
audible?
Yes, you are audible. Now
Yes,
you
you're
are
audible.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, please vote fast. Like we're only
Yeah. Only 69 are there. So I hope you guys can see my screen now. Only 73 have participated right now.
I can't do.
Manish, it's still not
The
visible.
screen share is not.
Screen share is not visible.
Manish, you are not sharing the question tab.
I am sharing, but it's
Yes, it's
an
not.
issue of Microsoft Teams. Is it
Oh.
coming?
No,
No, bro.
Still not.
no.
Ah,
Teams is unable to
what to do now?
You try to
handle so much participation.
press
Wait.
the keys.
I am presenting again. Is it coming now? Wait for a few seconds, like maybe there is some delay.
Yeah, it's
Can you
coming
confirm?
now.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the numbers. Like there are 92 members who have participated. Are you familiar with programming? Yes. So we have a lot more people who are familiar with programming. So, okay. So I guess, Sohag, we can move with our next slide.
I think we can stop here. There are still people participating, but I think we get the thing like
Yeah.
know, but some don't know. So I'll just brief what is programming, which we'll be learning in a lot detail in the coming months. and
Cool.
years.
Cool.
Key.
Moderators, can you mute all?
Can you guys please stay muted if you don't have any questions?
Yeah. So Q&A will be there at the end. So Sure.
So yeah, then you can ask and type as well if you want. So what is programming? Like, so programming is basically providing a set of instructions to any machine or anything uh, that you want to work for a certain reason. Uh, so let's say I want the computer to print like hello. So I provide him a set of instructions that whenever I open my computer or switch on my computer, after a certain time, it shows me hello. So I write some stuff that will do it for me. So that is only programming. So I guess this is the brief, and we'll discuss it in a lot more detail in our workshops, and we'll write some stuff hands-on. So I think you will understand it better then. So we'll move ahead now for now. So now we'll discuss what is the role of CodeChef in CP. So I think you guys, if you guys have any questions regarding competitive programming, you can ask in the chat, or you can even unmute yourself and ask me. Or if you have any questions still now, you can ask. Okay, the link might not work because I think Manish has stopped it because we are done with that question for now. Anything else? Okay, so I see there are no questions, so I'll move it. So roll-up CodeChef is like it provides you a platform where you can show off your skills, or like test your skills, not show off. Without it, like you might be a great programmer, but if you do not test yourself or challenge yourself or compare yourself to others, then how do you know how much great you are? So CodeChef provides you that opportunity to do that. So next up, okay, there is a question: is competitive coding tougher than normal coding? Yeah, you can say that, but like there are grades to things. Like there are easy competitive coding as well, and there are hard competitive coding as well. And even in normal coding, like normal, there is nothing called normal coding. Whatever you are learning in school, that's that's part of a normal coding, but that's not the end of normal coding. In if you go in development, which you can consider normal coding as you're grading things in competitive and normal. So that also gets tough. So it depends like how deep you go. As much deep you go, it becomes tougher and tougher. So there's nothing like that competitive coding is tougher than normal coding, or actually there is something called normal coding. So it's not. So okay, after learning a language, what exactly is needed to get started with competitive coding? So you need nothing. You can learn a language and get started. Like getting, as I said, getting started is very easy. You can get started, but as much as you go deep into it, you have to learn more and more. Then just learning a language won't work. You have to learn many more things. Okay, so another question: can a student not from a gate coding background started
Uh,
first year can do
Sohag, sorry to interrupt you, but I guess we can move forward with like
Yeah.
presentation, and at the end we can take Q&A because it will go along long.
Yeah, I'm seeing there are a
It
lot
will
of
take
questions. So
long
like
time. Yeah.
we'll stop it. Like these questions, like till now we discussed like the very basic. So we'll not
Yep.
go into such lengthy questions. Like we'll move ahead in the Q&A sections. You can ask, and we'll try your best to answer
Yeah.
more.
We'll
as
answer. We'll try to answer every single question. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So
So roll up code shape is done. So we can go ahead in the next slide. Okay, so what programming language to use? And this is a very popular question. Even in my first year, I saw that a lot of people attending talks and webinars were asking like what programming language to use again and again. So as it says, like spoiler alert, as long as you can write the correct answer or you get the correct answer, anything is okay. You might use Java, C, C++, Python, whatever you know, it does not matter. We'll go to the next slide. Okay, there is another question. So you guys again log into that link and you will get a new question.
yeah, just go to the link again. You will see a newer question. Someone confirm that my screen is visible or not. This time
Yeah,
अभी अभी तो
Manish.
आया हूँ.
Your,
There is, yes,
your
sir.
screen is not visible, Manish.
Okay, sir.
Now it
It
is
is
visible.
visible.
Now it is
Visible,
visible.
visible.
Okay, great. So this time अभी आया हूँ is more than like average. Yeah. Come on, guys. Like we have 200 plus participants and we can see only 82.
Okay. I request all first year students participate here. Okay. Don't be shy and don't
Like
be
these things,
hesitate.
like these are anonymous, right? So no one here to judge you.
Exactly,
Feel
exactly.
free to
And
drop your answers.
all of
This
you
is just
participate
to
here.
take
Okay.
survey. Yeah, sir. This is just to take a survey so we can proceed accordingly in our workshops and sessions. All right, we have huge number for Python. There are more Python supporters.
Where are Java people?
Yeah, if you are
20%.
unable to access the link, then please sign it with code. The code is given, or you can.
Yeah, you can also see here, like join at slido.com. Just go to slido.com and put this 6 digit. That's it. Okay. So I guess, Suhag, we got the numbers. That is around 38% with Java Python, 28% with Java, and abhi to aaya is 22%.
I think we should start a new language.
We are supposed to add maybe JavaScript or another language like Kotlin and all. Maybe.
Okay, someone says like I love PHP. Okay, that's really
Wow.
cool. That's really cool. We don't see this type of answers. C++. Okay, that's cool as well. Where's
Chala.
PHP? Okay, there are a lot of PHP supporters. We should have added PHP.
PHP. Any more languages you want?
Okay, next time we have a Q&A, we'll like copy paste every language there is at CodeShip, and there will
Yeah,
be
there are list of languages.
yeah, there will be 50 to 51. Then you choose whatever you want. Okay, we'll move ahead with
Exactly.
the slide.
Yeah. Just confirm if it's visible or not.
Uh, it will come, I guess.
Yeah, I guess Teams has really have some issue, like it's taking too long.
Actually, there are a lot of people today, so I guess that's.
So what? Like, if it's Zoom, there will not be any issue, right? So no problem, whatever.
Anyways.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You can.
Okay, if you don't even know the C of coding, that's no problem. You'll definitely go for O, D, and ING, and you will learn the whole coding someday. Very soon, I guess. Okay, so the benefits of CP. I think this is the main slide. Like nobody wants to do something if there's no benefit nowadays. So you should know the benefits as well. So as the slide says, like competitive programming is a great mental sport, and if you love a coding challenge, it will surely interest you. All that. Okay, we'll not discuss all this monotonous stuff. I guess you have all seen Coda Factory, and there Jitu Bhaiya says like JEE इसलिए करो because it's tough and tough चीजें करने से confidence बढ़ता है. So I just modified जीतू भैया's code and competitive programming इसलिए करो क्योंकि वो tough है और tough चीजें करने से confidence increase होता है. So that's the thing. If it's tough and if you can crack it, then you are really in the what they say, like cloud 9, and you really feel better. So anyways, jokes apart, in all seriousness, like competitive programming strengthens your problem solving abilities and makes you a better thinker. And this is again a joke. It will also help you practice sitting on your chair for long hours, only staring at the screen, and that will strengthen your back muscles, a skill that every software developer needs nowadays. Okay, जीतू भाई अब motivation पैसे के लिए देते हैं. Okay, we won't go into controversial stuff. Okay, we'll move ahead with the next slide.
Okay. So I guess this is for Kajal, right? Kajal?
No, that's for Sohag.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, sorry.
My
Okay.
connection.
Just a
My
minute.
connection.
Just send the link of CodeShip first.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send it. No worries.
Okay, I guess it's an hands-on, right, Suhag? So I guess I need to
You can.
stop sharing. Yeah.
There was a problem with my connection for a bit. So, anyways, here's the link. You guys go on. I'll share the screen. Manish, you can stop sharing.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, but the screen is still here. Okay, now it went off. Nice. Okay. So is my screen visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay, nice. So first tell me like we are on the same page for now. Have you guys went to the site and you are there? Because this is a hands-on, you have to follow me. We'll create an account for this session so that you can get started into CodeShip. So drop in the chat, like, are you there yet or still waiting or doing something else? Still need time. I don't see anything in the chat. Okay, there, yes, in the site, yeah, okay. We'll wait for like 1 minute, 1 minute or 30 seconds, like that. A lot of yes coming in, nice. Okay. Okay, Shubham Bhaiya is even ready. Okay, if you already have an account, you don't need to do this step. You can just chill for now. Okay, so we'll start. So first of all, you can all see this new user login. We'll click on this. And here comes this page. We'll go to new user. And first, this is a this will be your username, and you won't be able to change it. So think for some time and go really creative, or don't go creative at all. You can write like this: your first name 1 2 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, say.
This is sorry to disturbance, but sir, can you repeat where to go?
The link is in the description, and this was the first page. You have to click on this button, new
Like
user.
it's on chat. I am also dropping it again. Just check this link.
Okay, so are you there now?
Sir, nothing is shown in my chat.
Wait.
You go to codesep.com.
Yes.
See the
Can you see this?
link
Can
has
you
been
see
shared
screen?
right now.
You can see this is codeshape.com. You can just type codeshape.com and go there.
I also dropped, I guess.
From Google?
Yeah. You can just write on Google
Yes,
like
yes. In Google,
codesep.com.
you can write just codesep, the first site codesep.com. Just go to codesep.com.
Okay.
Okay, so are you there?
It will take seconds to reach there, you know.
I know, but like,
Yeah,
let's
and just
confirm with him as well.
exactly.
So okay, if you're there, you can see this new user and login button. You'll click on this and go to this.
Okay, Arindrajit Sen. So does creating an account now mean if we join CodeSep and won't be able to join other chapters? No, it doesn't mean that. It's just a CodeSep platform where you are creating the account. The membership form will be distributed soon after this hands-on. So like if you have a chapter in your home, then why you are going to another home, right? Like we have the chapter in our campus, then why you will join other campus chapter, right? So yeah, you need to join our chapter.
Does he want to mean like he can, if he can join other chapters in our college? Or?
Okay, other communities. So yeah, you are free to join any community after this.
You
No
can
problem.
join as many as you want.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Okay, so first.
In our college.
Okay. Yes, definitely. Okay, so I think you have filled this username, I guess. Like drop some usernames in the chat. Let me see. Or just say that, yeah, we have filled the username. Okay, nice. Also see this, like it must end with a letter. It must end with a letter. So those who have like just written username and hacker, that don't work. Okay, you have to end it with a number. So okay, I think you can edit that. It's simple, like lowercase letters, 4 digits at minimum and 14 digits maximum, and end with a letter without any underscore. Okay, so I'm seeing that some people have underscore as well, like Ani268. So don't do that. Like read this, and then fill it. And if you have confusion still, like stop for now and fill the others. Like fill your full name, give any of your emails, or if you have one, then give that. Choose your password, your gender, your city, student of course, and your programming language. This can be anything. It does not matter at all. You can choose like even this like something like this Pascal, Rust, Bash, whatever you want. It does not matter at all. So when you're done, drop like I'm done, and please paste your username as well so I can see that you have done it correctly or not. So I'll wait for a minute. You can give any email. It does not have to be college mail. Any Yahoo, Gmail, whatever, Rediff, it does not matter. Shorodip, you have to change. You cannot give a underscore in your name. Like it says here, that must not contain a sequence. Oh, it cannot contain two. Okay, so those are giving one. It's fine. Okay, done. I'm done. Done. Nice. Let's see how many more. Yeah, more than one. I got it. Nice. What about graduation year for you? Like whatever year is this +4. So for you guys, it will be 225, 2025. 2025, I meant. So I can't register because I've already registered once, so I can't show that.
The programming language, what should I give?
Anything you want. C, C++. Even if you don't know a language, you can choose that as well. It does not matter. It used to say here that whatever language you are fond of, but they changed the website and changed all of this stuff. So it's a bit new. No, if you have created, you don't need to. If you already have an account, you can just relax for now.
No, you don't need to do it again. So there are same question like if they have already created, do they need to do it again? No, you don't need to do it again. You can post your username in the chat, no problem.
Whatever tags, as long as it follows those 3 rules, like not 2 sequences of underscores and must end with a letter. That's all. You can use your gamer tag, stack, exchange tag, Reddit, anything. So like.
Hopefully everyone is done with their username.
And other stuff as well. Like username is the most a bit complicated.
Yeah.
Sometimes it does not accept if someone with that name is already there. So
Yeah, is there any issues with the username? You can unmute and tell, or you can drop it on chat also.
Type it on the chat. I can see a lot of people like.
Hello, sir.
So what you feel in programming language?
Any programming language which you are preferred or you want to learn in future, maybe anything.
Anything. Nice.
Sir, what I write in username?
Yes, can you repeat?
What I write in username?
Okay, so you have to like write 4 lowercase characters and end it with a number. So now you choose whatever you want to write. At least 4 username, at least 4 lowercase characters. You can write more as well if you want. That's up to you. But end it with a number.
Sir, not being registered.
What error is this showing?
No, not being registered.
Yeah, but it will show something error, like it is showing a error at username or email or password or something.
You can drop a screenshot on chat also.
Sir, we have to sign in, na?
You have to sign up because you are doing this for the first time, right?
First time, yeah. This actually says new user. So after
it's
you're
basically just like a social media which you are doing in free time or
exactly.
work time also. You can create an account very easily. Like there's nothing rocket science here. So yeah.
Sir, username
see this
and
image and move on. Yeah, you can say again.
Sir, username and password, then I log in.
Yeah, you can log in right now or you can log in later. That doesn't matter. Just remember your username.
Username.
That will required in the next sections, as you have to fill a form and you have to enter your username.
I guess you put a wrong email, or you have put it a space in before your email. Just check that.
Sir, I not put my email. I am put my name, then 4-digit number.
I'm talking about your email.
No,
It
no,
shows invalid.
You have to put your email. You cannot put your username @gmail.com. You have to put your whatever email you have currently. So
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, Rupam, it's fine. It's correct. Totally correct. And Avinash, maybe you are not following the guidelines. You can't use numbers at the end of your username.
No, you have to use numbers.
Okay, sorry.
What is he saying? Like, this is the what? Like, what is the question? I was seeing
Just check the screenshot. It's there on the chat.
the last one.
I guess.
But he has
Hello?
signed in already.
Sir.
Not this. Yeah.
Sir, there is written the university institute. I have written the name of the university. There is showing wrong.
Okay, you are putting maybe wrong university name. Actually, you don't need to write your university name. You need to choose one from the list.
You just type SIS and it will show that
Yeah,
name in the list.
Sister Nivedita University.
We can't change the language we select now, right?
Yeah,
Later
you
on.
can change later on.
Hello.
Okay, we can change.
Hello.
Yeah.
Now the page shows blank.
Blank. What is that? Like,
Yes.
it should show something, right? Like you have created, or you might received an email.
I got the code which is given to in email. Then I put it. Then it look like a blank page and block. Wait, I share screenshots.
I think you need to refresh the page.
You can do one thing, just go to any browser and search codechef.com. There you will find the the website's page. You can go there and start your login.
Acha, Swag, I guess we should move ahead. If people are facing problem, sooner we will have a Discord, and there we can discuss all these things. I guess maximum of them have already registered and got the username.
Sure. So that ends my section. Next up, you will be briefed about how to join our chapter and all that by Kajal. So Kajal, please take over.
Okay.
Thank you, Sohag. Hello, everyone. I'm Kajal. I'm the Outreach and Media Lead at CoachF SNU chapter, and I'm just sending some links in the chat box. You can go through them, and yeah, you can follow our chapter's social media handles on LinkedIn, Insta, FB, Twitter, Discord. You can join our Discord, and the last one is the membership form. You have to click on this link for now.
Ma'am.
Hello. Yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, in programming language, what do we have to write? C or C++?
Anything you can choose.
This is the most common question we are facing, that which programming language to choose. So let me tell you that you can choose any language which you know or if you want to learn in future. You can change it later. It doesn't matter what programming language you choose. You will be able to code in any language in CodeChef. So just choose any language which you know. So that's it. Please don't ask again that which programming language to use.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I'll be sharing my screen in a minute. Soha, can you stop sharing so that I can share my screen?
Yeah. Yeah, I've done
Thank
it.
you.
Oh, I did not know that I was sharing. Sorry.
No issues. So is my screen visible?
Not yet,
Yes,
maybe.
yes. Yeah, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's my delay.
So you'll have to click that membership form link, and you will be directed to this page. I hope everyone is there by now. Just confirm in the chat box.
Ma'am, I can't see anything in the chat box. I think it.
Just a minute. I'll have to resend it. There are too many messages. Okay, I'm just sharing the membership form link again.
Okay, guys, in the place of roll number, you can write your student ID or enrollment number. We will also share this link in your email also by tonight. So don't worry about it, or you can keep it with you if you don't have your your student ID or enrollment number handy. No problem. You can do it later on, no issues. But those who have this, do it right now so that if you face any issue, we can fix it right away.
Yep. So for the college name, you can select Sister Nivedita University. And as soon as you select Sister Nivedita University, you will see that the chapter name has been selected. Just a minute. Yeah, the chapter name has already been given automatically by CodeChef. That's CodeChef SNU chapter. Then you can give your full name. Roll number, you can write like your student ID that you got during admission. Then just now Sohag helped you in creating your account. You can use that username. Then the email ID you used for like logging into this whole the creating this account. Then you can give your contact number, branch, and the graduation year you gave in the while filling up the form of the username.
Number. What about the roll number we have to do?
Student ID that you got during the admission.
Yeah, if you don't have handy right now, like you can do it later on by seeing your bill or anything.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, not an issue. Kadal, I guess many of them have already done, or just check it.
Yeah, if you have done, you can just. Yes, Debolina, you have to fill up the SNU chapter form. Manish, can you see that question? I have actually done one mistake. By mistake, I have given 2021 in graduation year.
Okay, yeah, they can change. Yeah, they can be changed by the profile from this profile section.
Okay, you can change it from the profile section, and then you have in the membership form. Just remember to give 2025 or 24, whatever it is.
What's the branch?
Branch that's either CSC or CSBS or ECE. You don't have to give say about the specializations. Just give CSE. Once you have completed this, click on the submit form and you will become a member of our chapter.
Well, the roll number is mandatory, so that's the big problem actually for me.
Yeah, the roll
So
number.
no problem. As I told, like you must have a student ID or enrollment number from college. If you don't have it handy, not an issue. We will. You can store the link with you, or I will. We will also share the link by tonight, so you can fill it later on. I hope it's clear.
Pawan, just write Sister Nivedita University in the college name, and you will automatically get that CodeChef SNU chapter thing written in your chapter name.
I'm having a problem. In the CodeShape username, I have written my username, but it says this value already exists. Enter a unique value.
That's because someone with that username has already registered, so you have to just change something, put one more letter or one more digit.
Sir, it's written here registrations are not allowed now.
Is it in the form?
Where is it written? Can you just tell us? Just share this. Share the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How many of you already submitted the form? Just write done on the chat.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
2 days ago, we received a mail which required some student IDs. Will that be a good good
Yeah,
thing
you
to?
can share that. Yeah, you can share that.
I
Ma'am,
mean,
I sent
student
it.
ID. That would that be a roll number?
Yeah. It
Yeah,
will
you
be a
can
role.
use it for
Yeah,
now.
student ID is your roll number.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, invalid entries found.
Excuse me,
Submitted.
sir.
Actually, you did not fill up your
Yes.
name and graduation year. That's why you got this error.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Sir,
I
I'm
had
not able
completed.
to open this one form.
Which one?
Sir, this one. The previous one I have done, but this one is not.
Like, what's the issue?
It is not. It is not opening only.
Not opening. It might be your internet issue.
নেমটা স্যার কি দিব ওটা বুঝতে পারছি না
Invalid entry is found is showing.
Okay. Subham bhai, are you there?
Yes, Manish.
Yeah. Is there any issue with the server or what? Like everyone is facing the same error. Can you please rectify once?
What's the error?
Like people are saying it's invalid entries found. Rectify and submit again. Like everyone is facing the same issue.
So that is for that username. If someone is replicating the username.
Okay, guys. If I guess you are messing up with the username, so leave it and do it. We will share a whole procedure on your email. So for now, we can proceed as maximum of you have already done. So we are not want to waste that time and like we don't want to make this session boring. So we'll we'll rectify every single issue on our Discord server. So just join the Discord server. Kajal, you can take over and show the Discord.
Excuse me.
Just a minute. I'll give the Discord server's link.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can join the link. I've just pasted the link on the chat box. Wait a minute.
Ma'am is showing the invite is invalid or a thing.
Just a minute. Use this link. Use this link and you will see this page.
Yeah, Chisman, it won't show any message, so don't worry, it's submitted, I guess.
Oh, thank you.
So everyone join the Discord. There we will fix every single issue, so don't worry about it.
Once you have clicked on the link, you will reach this place, and then you can see that
Kajal,
you
your
have a
screen
message
is
from
not
Dino.
visible. Wait, Kajal, your
Okay,
browser
wait.
is visible only.
No.
It is visible, Manish. It is visible.
The screen was
Okay.
visible actually. Yeah.
I guess it's
Screen was
late for
visible.
me. So sorry.
Oh yeah. Just a minute. I'll reshare my screen.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now it's visible, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it is.
Okay, so Moving on to the Discord part. Once you click on that link, you will see that you got a message from Dino. Okay, you can go through this message. It tells how you have to rename yourself on the server. The first part will be your name. This ABC is your name. Then you have to give a dash, and then
Kajal,
XYZ is your department.
Kajal,
Yes.
can you wait for a few minutes? People are downloading Discord.
Okay.
Can you give them 3 to 4 minutes for that?
Okay, sure. You can also open it on browser if you are joining with PC, or else you
Manish,
can
probably you
down.
can also help them out if they don't have a Discord, like to know about what Discord is all about.
Okay, yeah, this will be also better. So Kajal, can you emphasize on that?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Once you have downloaded Discord, then you can just click on that link, and you will be directed to this server.
Ma'am, we have to register or log in?
If you have a Discord account, you can log in, and if you don't have a Discord account, then you have to register.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you're done, you can just ping in the chat box.
So Discord is just like a platform where you can interact with our community members, and this is the most interactive platform which we have go through. And here you can listen music, we can play quiz, and there are lots of things we can do on Discord. Just explore it once you join. Okay, so there are a lot more to do. Just join it and just create one account and click on the link after that, and
Dia, you can just skip this part. If you want to follow, you can, but you can just skip this part for now. You don't have to follow the channel. Follow means you will get the updates of this particular channel in your server if you have one. You don't
but
need
it's
to
not
follow.
required.
Yeah. Shorudeep, I'll be sharing about the naming rule right now. If everyone has already downloaded it, just a minute,
Actually,
I'm
I'm not
sharing.
links in
Yes, Priyanka, you can introduce yourself or you can message whatever your problems. We have support channels.
I've shared the link again. You can join.
No message coming in the chat box.
No message, but I think
Yes, ma'am.
there's some internet
I'm also
issue from
having the
your
same
side.
problem. Like I can't see the message in the chat box.
And also, my messages are not.
Also couldn't check that.
You can't write the messages or what?
Yes, both, sir.
We can't see the messages or
Try
like
joining
in
from your mobile.
Ma'am, the invitation link.
The invitation link. You must be having it in your mail.
Oh, it's on the mail. Thank you.
Arpan, just scroll down once and check if you can see that the meeting in progress notification there. I hope everyone has downloaded Discord by now.
Ma'am, I downloaded, but I couldn't join.
You can click on the link and join. I'm sending the link again.
Ma'am, I have clicked it, but it's showing something. I have sent a screenshot in the chat box.
What? It is showing what?
Ma'am, I have sent the screenshot in the chat box.
I'm not getting your screenshot. Can you share that again?
Yes, ma'am. Sent it.
Ma'am, it should ask your admin to
Monal, just
give you
wait.
permission.
Monal, I have the permissions, but Monal, just wait. We'll move on with the. Is this the one? Like add this channel updates to your server.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just click on the black space. Now it's okay.
No, ma'am. It's again getting back. Follow to get this channel's update. I'm clicking on follow, then it's saying this one.
Don't click on follow. I just said don't click on follow. You don't need to follow it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You don't need to follow Nisha.
I guess
you will
many
get the
people are
updates.
already joining. I don't know what's the issue with few people.
Yeah, it cannot be followed. Like it can be followed, but you don't need to follow.
Like everyone
only-
facing the same or few people? Like,
Yeah, I am facing the same, sir.
like how
Actually,
many
they are
of you
clicking
can
on follow button.
properly access everything?
Sir, I am unable to follow because it shows ask your admin to
You
give
don't
you
need to
permission.
follow. You don't need to follow. You
Yeah,
don't
need to follow.
How many of you can access the server properly? Just tell me that.
I can
Anyone?
access it properly.
Me, sir.
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, everyone can access. So now.
Okay.
Okay, the ones who are having problem with Discord, we can have a separate session for it. I'll take charge of that session later on, but now we have to
Of this
move.
session maybe. So we have to move now. For now, yeah.
Yeah. So moving on to the naming part. As you can see the Dino message, there it's written your full name, then your CodeChef username, then your CodeChef. Wait, yeah. ABC should be your full name, XYZ should be your department, and this last 19, that would be, in your case, that would be 21. That's your year, the current year. I'm sending the Discord invitation again. So now you can rename yourself in that format. First one should be your real name, then your department, and then your year. And you don't need to put anything after that. This is only for the leads and executives. Rishabh, if you already have a Discord account, you just have to log in. And if you don't have a Discord account, you need to register.
Ma'am, we have to join Discord with our real name.
Yeah, you don't need to find Dino. You can simply go to the server and do this. I have already explained it. Dino was in the messages. Monal? I don't know how to change my nickname. Okay, I'll tell you how to change your nickname. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Yeah?
Hello? Do we really need to change our user ID?
No, you don't need to change your username. Go, just watch me. I'm changing my name. Just search yourself in the members section. Okay, right click and okay, just wait a minute.
I think the computer UI and the phone UI are different.
Yeah, you can click on your profile and you will get that.
For phone, you can actually click on the server logo and hold it at it, and there will come a drop down type of list, and it shows change username.
Yeah.
We can also use the setting button.
From desktop, you just click on the name, means your name, search your name and click on it, and there's an option called edit server profile. So you will be able to add the name as
you can write your name, then a standing line, and then your department, and after that your year. Yeah.
Can you show it once again?
Okay. Like here I am in this server. Right click, edit server profile, then your name, a line, then your department, another line, and your year. Like the year you entered our college. And then save. That's it.
Ma'am, can you please repeat one more time, please?
Yeah, sure. Sorry. Edit server profile. First your name, then a line, again a space and your department, space, again a line, then your year. That's it. Okay, I can see some people have already done.
I can't see my name in the members list.
You can see your name in the here you have a search bar. You can search your name here.
I searched there, but still.
What's your name? What's your name?
Shrestha.
I guess he used some other username maybe. Just check out.
Shrestha.
Shreya. What's your username?
Shrestha 2992.
Yeah, I got her. She's here only.
Where?
I can see.
I
Let me.
Before, that's why maybe someone.
Should I change her name?
Yeah, you can. If you are unable to change your name, you can tell us. We will do it for you.
Yeah, okay. I guess.
Many of you have changed your name already.
I can't.
Shrestha, you're from mobile or you're doing it from laptop?
Oh yeah. Who's
Just
there?
check it. I have filled in the chat box. Is it okay? Ma'am, I can't get my
Sir,
name.
now
If you are in the server, your name will be there in this members list.
Sir, now my Discord has opened, sir. So now can I do?
One thing you can do. Go to the general chat. Just write hi, and then you can just right click on this and edit server profile. That's easier.
Yeah, I have changed the name of Shrestha. Shrestha, can you check once?
Why I can't see mane?
No issues. You can just go to the general chat and write hi and continue with that. If you
Or
can't
even
find
you can write on introduce or welcome.
Can
Anywhere.
I edit my profile?
Actually, there are too many people here. That's why maybe.
Edit server
Even general is not showing. Channel is not also showing.
Okay. Do one thing.
General is not
We'll
showing.
take issues one by one at the end. No problem. Kajal,
Wait.
I
Which
guess
channels
many
can you
of them
see?
already joined.
Oh yeah.
There are many
Sure. We
people who already
can
joined.
continue now.
Why
Okay, now
channel
let me
not
explain you about this server. So the first one is the announcement channel where we will be sending about sharing all the links of the events and announcements, and also we will be starting a new poll thing that we'll be just telling you later. We have planned for a poll. Every day we will share some polls, and you all have you can participate in that. Now these are the rules of the server. You can go through the rules, and the one most the main rule over here is no misbehavior with any of the other members and the leads as well. And you should not cheat in any events or any contests. This is the welcome part you have already seen. In this channel, you have to introduce yourself proper introduction. You have to write your name, your year, department, and everything you want to share with others. Yes. Hello. Okay, I think I can continue. General chat is for asking questions and other things you want regarding the chapter. And if you want to talk anything apart from the general things about the chapter, you can go to the off topic. Can you check? Moderators, can you check?
Muted.
Okay, thank you. If you want to talk about anything other than the chapter, you can go to the off topic, and like you can see, we just chill here. Now the next channel is the show off channel. You can send any of your achievements and share them with others. Also, you can share your handles here. Then we have the meme channel. Here we just started this channel and it's completely blank. You can share different memes, but those should be 18 minus. And then this is our music channel. I see already people have joined it. You can use Hydra, and if you don't know how to use it, we will explain it in the other session. Then
You
we
can
have
just
this
write
off
the
topic.
music name.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Then we have this off topic voice. You can join that anytime you want. And okay, someone has already joined, and talk to your fellow members. Now the events part. So there are some events channel like public. If you want to share about any public event, like it should be related to CodeChef, then you can share it in this channel. And this learning sprint was actually started by one of our leads previous year, and it may be continued later. We will try to continue it, actually restart. Then you can give your feedback in this channel, or and your queries in this channel. That's it about Discord. If you want to know how to use it properly, we can have another session on it. You can just ask us for it. Okay.
Join, ma'am. Now only I opened the Discord.
Removed my access to all the channels, maybe. Kindly please.
Yeah, I'm just checking yours.
Actually,
Which
I
channel
have joined
can you
before.
see? Which channel can you see?
I can't see any of the channel. Just announcement and rules, maybe.
Okay,
Just announcement.
you joined the server before this. That's why. That's the reason.
Yes, that's why.
Which one?
I'll have to
Who
check
are you?
it with my admin account.
Wait. Who are you? Okay, just a second.
Go to Manish. Go to the members and
But
just
Shrestha
remove
is
the-
already having the access of SNU member.
No, yeah, but she's also having the access of Codofesta members. Just remove that.
Let me just
Just
check.
remove that role from her. Actually, we
Okay.
have you
I
joined
guess,
it
Kajal,
during our previous event. That's why.
Kajal, you can continue with your next. Yeah, I'm checking.
Okay, so that's done. So the Discord server is already done. We can move on to Slido. Just scan this and you will, or you can put this number 641584 and you will see this screen. I think everyone has started that.
Kajal, I guess you should go on the present mode.
What is the code?
Just a minute. Code
Can
is
you repeat the code, please?
641584. So the question is, why are you willing to join CodeChef SNE chapter? Okay, we have 76% people saying it seems
Wow.
interesting. Wow. We didn't expect it though.
It seems interesting. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. मन क्या कर लिया?
मन किया कर लिया 12%.
I think you guys should spotlight our legends in the last section, like the last option.
Okay, let me just check out that.
Scroll a bit down.
Who said I am willing?
How much
Okay.
is 8%?
So sorry for those 8%, but yeah.
So that is 9%. Good.
Now
13%
people are doing this. Like मेरे को तो
I guess they are doing it.
Yeah,
Just for fun.
yeah. I hope so.
Yeah. But they
Okay,
don't have
guys.
any other choice, to be honest.
Yeah, this club is compulsory to join. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I did it for fun, lol. Okay, cool.
Okay, we have 99 participants now. 100. Wow. So I guess we should move on to the next one.
Yeah. You can move. You can continue with Q&A along with Kushal.
Yeah, we have another question, another quiz right now.
Okay.
Where did it go? Just a minute.
I guess these are questions from our audience.
Before that, we can have this question. Okay.
Okay, cool. People are joining.
कभी कभी एल्गोरिदम देख सकते हैं is winning. Okay, that's not bad, I would say, but yeah, that's okay. कभी कभी algorithm देखना is okay, but you should not copy the whole code.
Actually, you can see the algorithm. That's no problem, but you should not just copy paste it blindly from some user who is posting it somewhere else. That's actually unfair. You can't do that.
That can lead your account to be banned.
Yeah.
Okay, 58% कभी कभी algorithm देख सकते हैं. That's okay. We should move on.
Great.
Okay, so with this, we can move on to the Q&A part. And now I'll like to ask Kushal to take over.
Hello everyone. So Manish, I would like to request you to please share the screen so that we can have a...
Yeah, sure. So guys, stay on the same page. Like on the Slido 641584. I am just sharing the tab of Slido only. Just a second.
Hello everyone, I am Kushal Sabit Chaudhary and I am the student support lead in Coursera SNU. So yeah, I will be reading your questions now. So the first question is, what is Coursera and how it is different from other chapters, and which is better among all the chapters? So that is a very controversial question that you have asked, if this is better among all the chapters.
Yeah, so basically it's not better or best. Like every chapter has their own specialties, but as Coursera has its own, like this is the only coding platform where we have the chapter. Like this is the only coding club, you can say. Like others are for development maybe, and yeah, those are more focused on development. This is the only club which we have for competitive coding, for the coding and all. Okay, so you can participate in this. So this is the thing which make difference among other chapters. I hope you understand this question.
Yeah, in
right?
fact, CodeSafe means all the different chapters are for different purposes that you will get to know about different chapters in the future orientation. This is just CodeSafe and it is a coding platform. So I guess it is clear. So moving on to the next question, that which programming language we have to use. So I have also mentioned it earlier that in CodeSafe, whatever language you know, whether it's C, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, you can use any language which you know. You can code in the, if you will check CodeSafe, you can code in any language. There are so many languages you can code. So yeah, moving on to the next one. So being from ISC board, we have done only Java since class 10. So will that be problem since we don't know anything about Python or C++? Yeah, I don't think that will be a problem. You can start coding with Java.
Yeah, you can choose any language whichever you want. That's not an issue.
Being a WBSc student, I only know a little bit of HTML. Other languages are unknown to me. Is it a drawback for me?
First of all, like HTML is not a programming language; it's a scripting language. Yeah, markup language, I can say, where you can like create web pages and all. But it's not a programming language. You can't code on HTML. Like you can't make software by HTML. You can't like solve questions by code HTML. Okay.
Actually, we will have workshops that will contain programming from the basics part, like very basic part. So you won't have any problem. We'll use the basic languages and start with that.
Thank you, Manish and Gajal. Now moving on to the next question is, are you familiar with programming? So yes.
This question.
Yes, we are familiar with programming.
Family, okay.
We have been coding with for 2 years.
You have to make programming your family.
Yeah. How long did it take you to become really good at CP? So Suhag will be the better person to answer this.
Yeah, Suhag, please.
Okay, so I'm not really any good at CP, so first I'd like to clarify that. I'm only a 3-star.
Only.
Yeah, it's only. I mean, how long does it take? I don't know. I really don't know because I'm not good, as I said. But once you get the basics clear, you can at least, and if you are willing to think, then you can at least go to 3-star for sure. I mean, if you want to go to 4-star and 5-star, then first you have to complete a DSA, and that is data structures and algorithms, and then practice in contest as many as you can. Then only you can go to 4-star and 5-star. But that's a very long journey. That is not like you can do it in 1 or 2 weeks. It will at least need you to dedicate yourself to CP for 2 years. So I think that's clear. So
actually, we have people in our campus. Actually, we have people in our campus who have 3-star and 4-stars. So we will be calling them up for sessions, and they can tell you this more precisely.
Yeah.
So yeah, moving on to the next one. It's which programming language, I guess, is useful for future projects. So first I want to answer to it that it doesn't matter the projects which you will making, it's that what you know. So it depends on in which you are interested. So if you are interested towards app development, you can go for Java. It totally depends on your interest. If you are in web development, want to go in web development, you can go to JavaScript and all. Plus, if you are interested in the field like AI, ML, or data science, you can go for Python. So it totally depends on which field you are interested, and so try to learn that language. So it's basically on you, like what you want to do. And now, Manish, do you want to add something? This question.
Yeah, like it's totally up to you. According to me, like what I did in my first year or first semester, so I tried almost like few things, like in development also, in programming also. So what will be the resultant? Like you can check like what interests you, like what will bring interest in you, like which programming language or which development field. Then you can choose one, and then you can continue with that. Okay, so like it's totally trial and error. You have to try. Simple.
So the next question is, how do we get connected with the outside communities? So what do you mean by that question?
Yeah, so
Manish, did you
basically
understand?
yeah, so basically they want to ask like how they can connect with people outside the communities, or maybe the communities which is from other than our campus maybe. So yeah, you can like everything is online right now, so you can connect with them easily, like everyone, almost every community right now using Discord servers, so you can directly contact them or connect with them. So there are a lot more to come, don't worry about it. We have lots of thing to share with you, so don't worry about it. We'll go one by one, don't worry. Yeah.
So the next question is, which code did you start in your first semester, and was your decision right? So I want to tell my personal experience that first of all, I need to tell you that up to class 12, I was not into coding, or I didn't have, so I was not interested in computer at all, and I don't know any language. So the first language which I started in college in the first semester, it was our C language. And yeah, my decision was, I cannot say that was my decision right or not. That was the only language I know. So I started with my C language, and it was very basic. And you, you can, if you have know any language, you can start with that. It doesn't matter which language you are starting in first semester. It's your interest whether you want to learn or not. I want to give an example of my junior. It's here only that talking about Kajal. She knows Java up to class 12, and in their first semester they were teaching Python. So it's her interest that she's interested in Java, so she start coding in Java only. It doesn't matter what college is teaching you in first semester. It's your interest that whether you want to learn, you have interest in that language or not, and you want to proceed forward. So if anyone wants to add anything, Sohag, Kajal, Manish.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Like also if you want to go with college curriculum, you can go. Like if you are from CSE, you have Python with you, so you can start with Python. And those who are in CSBS, you have C, so you can start with that. That's not an issue.
I'd just like to say one thing, like there are some of the questions are repeatable now, and some of are really relevant, right? Which ID should I use for coding and all that? Can I share my gameplay in off-topic channel? We'll not take these questions, and we'll only take those are unique and not such spam
Exactly.
questions. Please don't ask spammy questions now.
So we'll
because-
take 1 minute more for questions, and then we'll move on the next. And if you still have any questions, you can always get in touch with us on Discord server. Not an issue. I hope it's clear. Okay, I used to be biology student from WB.
Yeah, so that's a question which I just said, that I was also a biology student from a CBSE board. So I don't know computer at all, and in my first semester. Now, so start with the language which is teaching, which the teachers are teaching in college only in the first semester. Try to master in one language and then move over towards different language and all that. I would say just one language is enough. If you know very well that one language is only good. You don't have to master all the language. You just need to master one language. Go what you know. But whether you can start with C, C++, or Python, whatever you want.
Okay, so what do we really have to do in CodeCEF? Like, what is a role as a first year student? So basically, you will be a participant, where you can, like as we told, we will conduct regular workshops, frequent contests. So there you can participate, and like yeah, you can get your stars and maybe some goodies swags for you. That's it. Like you will
we'll
learn
also
from.
create a unrated contest that will get you started, so you can understand what contests are and how to participate, how to submit code.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned, and you'll get all that.
Yeah, and that
Should
will
we-
be unrated, but you will get swags if you know what
True.
it is.
Okay, there is an interesting question. Like Nisha says, why do you think coding is interesting? I would like to ask Nisha, why do you think coding is not interesting? You can write this in the chat. Then I'll
Okay, till then we'll move to next question. Should we depend on
Should
college
not
for this?
skills
Uh,
required? Should we depend on college for the skills required for CodeCEF, or self-study is the key? So I don't think college will help say anything for you for getting good in CodeCEF. So CodeCEF is just a community which will help you growing together. Means we will work on each other, we will discuss our ideas, and we will help each other in coding. So it is just a community. It is not something like which will guarantee you placements and all. It's just a community which is helping you to grow. Self-study is definitely, you have to do the self-study. You cannot rely on college. College syllabus is totally different. College syllabus and all are totally different. You have to.
কি হচ্ছে এখানে?
Sorry, Ishan, please mute yourself.
Yeah, done.
Manish,
You can continue.
Yeah.
Manish, your screen is not visible.
Yeah, I have closed. Like we want to wrap up with
Yeah, sure.
Q&A.
The feedback forms?
Wait, before feedback, I want to share one thing. Just wait. Okay. This one is before that. So let me know if it's visible or not. Is
Yes,
it
it
visible?
is.
Okay, cool.
Yes, it
So now everyone, we have something for you. Like this is an opportunity to join our executive team members. Like there is a recruitment for you all. So basically we have few openings like for graphics designers, marketing team, and like a lot more. So if you will be part of this, you will get certificates from us, LORs, letter of recommendations, exposure and experience. So, and the swags also, which I already told, but that will be a totally performance based and a lot more. Okay, so let me just share the form with you so that you can, if you are interested, you can fill up that. And also I am sharing the responsibilities and roles and what are the openings. So after that you can fill this form. Okay, now let me just share the form. Let me know if it's visible or not. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. So yeah, here are okay. The deadline is tomorrow only, so you need to fill as soon as possible. And here we will take username, name. So yeah, we have opening for marketing team, graphics design, question setter, outreach and media, and event. So in marketing, you are responsible for the content which we create and captions and all. So yeah, if you are interested and you think that you are capable of doing this, you can do this. And you can at least fill up this form, and then our team will take care about you. And then if you are good in graphics designing, if you know how to design posters and banners for events, you are good to go to fill this form. And we also need question setter. It's quite this role is for quite experienced person. If you are like what to say, if you are already a good programmer and if you know how to set a question, then you are eligible for this role.
Actually, can I just say something? Like,
yeah,
no, you don't actually have to know how to set a question. You just have to know like about the programming logic. You can write programs without copying them. That's the basic criteria. If you can do that, you are welcome to fill this form as a question setter. And if you're interested to be a question setter, that's it. If other roles interest you, you can fill for that.
Yeah. Thanks, Og. So now outreach and media. So Kajal, do you want to emphasize on this?
Yeah, for this, one thing I need, you should have a LinkedIn ID, and you should be able to communicate with other people who are good in this like coding field and who are developers, to be precise. Just that.
And yeah, and in event you just need to manage event things like the Discord server or like Teams and all. You need to moderate the session. That's it. So these people we need.
Manish, I would like to add something.
Yeah. Sure, Pawan.
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to say that I don't think that I'm not eligible or I won't be able to do it. Just I would like to give it a try. Try it, and we will have some evaluation. We will evaluate, and then we will let you know. So I will request everyone who is interested to try and join this. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pawan. So yeah, and here you need to put your CodeSafe username. So as you have created your account, you can put it here, and then phone number, that should be WhatsApp, and name, email. And if you have a LinkedIn ID, then you can put it, or else it's totally optional. So no, you don't need to care about much. And what motivates you to be part of the team, you need to explain in brief. And then how do you plan to contribute in the team? You just need to, as we the numbers will be huge, so we want to like check the persons with these two answers only. So yeah, we'll then the next step will be done by these answers only. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you all. Now I am sharing the form on the chat, so make sure you are filling or keep it with you, and also we will send this form on email. Okay, I hope it's clear to you all.
Okay, I want to say something. Someone just
Yeah.
said that can I, like he will be starting his practice on BlueJ. Now in college we don't use BlueJ. You can use Visual Studio Code or Code Blocks, or you have other compilers as well. But BlueJ is still class 12 only. You can leave that there. Now you have to move on to some basic IDEs.
If you do if you're planning to do only Java, then I would suggest you using Eclipse. Over some YouTube videos, you'd get accustomed to it and you can start.
Yes.
And then in our workshops,
Or
we'll
in
show you how to code on different IDs.
Yeah.
For the basic, you can use Visual Studio Code.
So I guess Subham wants to tell something. Subham, you are good to go. Like I have given you access.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you share the form on WhatsApp or somewhere? Means since in chat box it is not visible.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. So sooner we'll send you that
We
on
can share
over
it on the
email.
Discord channel.
Yeah, on Discord also, and also on email by tonight. Okay, so don't worry about
Yes, sir. One more question. That sir means I am not.
Tell me.
Sir, I was not been able to join in Discord. Means I have installed the app, but I am not able to join.
Okay, not an issue. You can contact us on maybe via DM, maybe on WhatsApp, or like you can contact your CR. Basically, we will take care about it. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I am the only CR.
Okay. Okay. You can, then you must know me and you are in the group. You can directly DM me.
Okay, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Archisman. Okay. Yeah, Archisman. You can.
Actually, my question was like in the form, there are interests like a team you're interested in. So actually, I'm interested in multiple teams actually. So can I give the like multiple option because that is not available over here?
Yeah, we like surely tried to give multiple options, but then we think like you need to choose one. You need to make a tougher choice, which is the best suited you. You know.
Okay, I got it.
Yep.
Thank you.
So do it.
Sir,
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. Go ahead.
hello, sir.
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, I failed to fill any form that you are given in the chat box in the net form because of the network issue.
Okay, not an issue. Subhankar, you can directly contact your CRs and also just wait before contacting your CRs. We will send you the email with proper details, with proper steps. So make sure you read the email thoroughly and try to do it by your own. And still, if you are not able to do, you can directly contact your CR and they will reach out to us. And if required, if you are in Discord, then no problem. You don't need to reach out any CR. You can directly contact us on Discord. But if you are not on Discord, then you can directly contact it here. They will reach out to us if the issue is.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. But I don't feel any form from the network issue. That
Not an issue. Not an issue. Yeah, not an issue. We still have your email. We will send you email by tonight. So by tonight, don't disturb any CR. I request you all. After tonight, you may.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain marketing once more?
Yeah, so in marketing, you need to come up with some good ideas to market our events, market our sessions, workshops, whatever we conduct. And also you are responsible for making good captions, content, and emails. So everything will be included here.
Okay.
Maybe you are not experienced much. That's not an issue. If you have zeal to learn, you can apply for this. Not an issue. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We are not expecting any one of you to become and much experienced or some working professional, because working professional won't come for free, right? As simple as that. Yep. So I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Sir, in the
Yes, sir.
form, in the roles form executive team member, we have to give the LinkedIn URL. So is it
Yeah,
the
that's
username or any
optional.
link?
Yeah, it's
No,
total
actually, I
total
have a
URL.
LinkedIn account.
Yeah.
So I
Then
will
it's
give
total URL.
Yeah.
URL you
Okay.
need to submit a URL. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
So
You
now
can
we come
find
up
the
with
URL in your account itself if you have one.
yeah, true. So here we have feedback. Like where is the read? Why it's totally blue? Is there right? I can't see. Okay, wait. Can you see my screen? It's totally blank, right? Only blue color is visible, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wait.
Yes, sir.
Only super.
I guess there is some issue with this slide, maybe. Wait. This is just a feedback session, and after this, you can like we will jump into some fun activities if you want to participate. Okay, sorry. So that's what happened. Let me know once my screen is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, everyone join fast. I am also sharing the URL on the chat box. So I'm moving on to my first question. Have anyone joined? I guess. Okay, right now people started joining. Okay, everyone join fast. Yeah, a lot. हाँ ठीक ही था. Okay, थोड़ा चलेगा. Okay, guys, it's an anonymous form, so feel free to put those details which you like. Be honest with the feedback so that we can improve our events, future events and workshops. Okay.
Is there any nahi bilkul nahi?
Yeah, there is 2%. That's also matter to us.
You just click. Can you just click on that arrow? Yeah. Thank you.
भी भला नाइस. हाँ ठीक ही था थोड़ा इंडक्शन भी भला लाइक करते. Okay, good. All right, I guess we could move on to next one. Should I? All right. 100, let it be 100. Okay, I'm moving to next question. Okay, have you followed all of our social media handles for further information and join Discord? करना पड़ेगा? Yes, करना पड़ेगा. Wow. I believe in follow back. Sorry. मुझे सोचने दो. हाँ, सोच लो आराम से. Great. सोच लो.
फ्यूचर में इवेंट्स के बारे में पता करना है तो करना पड़ेगा. That's important.
Then we won't be responsible for. Yeah, Discord is mandatory. Okay, so that we can like track you and also you can track our events.
And we won't entertain any
Manish.
messages on WhatsApp.
Manish, there is a question in the chat box that please suggest some platform for coding.
Yeah, so Aritro, if you are already familiar with some coding language, I suggest you, this is totally my personal opinion, you can go for HackerRank. Okay, it's totally my personal opinion. There are multiple platforms available like LeetCode, HackerRank, HackerEarth, or what code? GFG. Yeah, there are multiple platforms available, but I preferred HackerRank because its UI is very good. Okay, I guess we should move on to our next question. Okay, This is some good question. You can start answering. Yes, absolutely. आपकी मर्जी. हाँ सही बात है. कर सकते हैं. मना करने. Yeah. Okay. चलो 5% लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिनको बोरिंग लगता है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. नहीं, हमें बोरिंग लगता है. Okay, 4% are there. So only for 4% we are having some fun activities lined up. So I guess survey feedback is already completed. Let's move on to the fun activities. So let me just can we like it's just a random thought on me, like can we take a screenshot, like if you all can switch on your cameras, if those who are interested to do, they can do, like yeah, it would be better, like this is the first time we are meeting, right, for an induction call. Yeah. Acha, oh sorry, we don't have access. Yeah.
कैमरा
So
का
sorry.
परमिशन दो.
Yeah. Give me a sec.
Okay, give it.
Okay, so Pawan has already given you. I guess you guys can enable your cameras. Let me do it. Yeah. Confirm that am I visible or not.
Yeah, you are
Hello.
visible.
Cool.
Yeah, you are visible.
Cool. So guys, you can also turn on your cameras if you are comfortable. We will just take few screenshots. That's it. Okay, I have some interesting thing. Okay. Let me just share this with you. You would also like it. Window tab. If my screen is visible, just take this screenshot. अरे मैं कहा हूँ, हेलो, where am I? मैं गायब हो गया क्या? अच्छा, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ तो गायब हो जाऊंगा मैं.
एक बार फिर से ले ले.
अरे मैं नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूंगा तो मैं गायब हो जाऊंगा. ठीक है, मैं ले लूंगा स्क्रीनशॉट, कोई जाना मत. ठीक है, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर ऑफ कर रहा हूँ, जिसको लेना है ले लो. Okay, I hope you all have already taken. I'm also. अब मैं ले लेता हूँ एक बस. Easy. अरे मैं आ गया कि नहीं आया? हेलो, किधर? हाँ, मैं आ गया. Okay. Okay. Done, guys.
Now we
Okay,
should
you
move
might.
on to the
Yeah.
testing
Yeah.
part.
Now we can move on to our next activities. That is fun activities. So Kusal, have you
Yeah, I'm just
created the link? Is it ready?
I'm just ready.
Okay, great.
We did not get any confirmation message of submitting the membership form in the Courtsave website.
Okay, not an issue. You will not supposed to receive that because like it's their form, so they didn't have anything like that you will receive some confirmation.
So I've shared a link for the game in the chat box. Please request everyone to join, or you can go to smashcard.io and click on the join and put the code that Asia 19292.
How many of you have already played this game?
Will it be okay to do it on mobile or should I do it on
Yeah, I
laptop?
guess in mobile there is some app for this. I'm not sure about it, but just check out once. I guess you can do it. Like previously we played on mobile, like few of the.
Yeah, yeah, you can also use
The
browser in
link.
Yeah, you
mobile
can
too.
easily
So
play
there's
this.
nothing in it.
Hmm.
The link.
Link is on the chat box. Moderators, can you paste it again?
Yes.
Yeah, Arpan.
Is full.
Sure. It is showing that it's full actually.
Yeah.
Let's create some separate rooms then, I guess.
Okay, we can have a new link for it. Manish, can you make a link right now?
Game is full, is it?
Yeah, I guess so. And
Okay,
around
I can make.
How
Okay,
many
I'm
how many
sharing it.
participants are there?
Like we have more than 100, so no issues. Like Sketchful will take care about it if we play on Sketchful.
Yeah, we can
Pawan,
see.
are you creating?
No.
yes, I'm just creating Sketchful. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
So just make sure that put around 200 members and all. There is some option to do that. Sorry guys, we are too many participants to play this game.
So I'm keeping it. I'm keeping the maximum players to up to 256, and the rounds is
Yeah,
only
yeah.
one. It's only one round.
One, one is more than enough.
And time to draw is 60 seconds, I guess enough.
No, we make it more shorter, like maybe 30 seconds.
Okay, 30 seconds for drawing.
मेरे को लूडो खेलना है. हाँ, लूडो भी खेलेंगे. Scribble, it's more like a Scribble, but Scribble has a limit of 25. Like,
Okay.
Yeah, we can play Scribble, but it has limits. So Sketchful is similar to Scribble.
Okay, join the room, please. I have shared the room ID.
Where is the room ID?
And I have said it in the chat box, please.
Okay, let me check.
I can see players are joining.
I can't see the link, maybe.
Wait,
Sir, I too can't send this.
I'm repasting it. See.
Some moderators can do. Oh, yeah, I got it now. Okay, guys, those who want to leave, they can leave now because our session and main parts are over. So yeah, if you have some work to do.
One session. If you want to join, it is not mandatory that you have to join.
Exactly.
I can see people joining. Manish, do tell me that when you have to start. Okay. You cannot wait.
Yeah, in next 1 minute maybe.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Discord channel. I'll be leaving now. Thank you.
You won't play?
No, I have some issues.
Okay. Bye, Kajal.
Bye.
So yeah, I guess we can start now.
Yeah, we can start. No, just wait for next maybe 10-20 seconds. Like .8.
Yeah, we will start from 8. It's 7:59. We'll start from 8.
Yeah. .8. Okay, let me just stop the recording now.
You have to draw.
It's saying
If you have to draw and
mobile.